In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make 30,000 Naira every day using e-commerce local arbitrage right here in Nigeria. This method is perfect for anyone looking to start an online business with no startup capital. Like, you don't need a dime to kickstart this very business model. Yes, all you need to set up this very business right now is just your smartphone or PC with just an internet connection. Now let's dive right in. Though in my last video we already talked about profitable online business models, I already explained what e-commerce local arbitrage is all about. But for the sake of this very video, let me quickly break it down again. This very business model is a simple concept where you source for products from local stores around you or online marketplace at a low price and then resell them online at a higher price.
Now, as you can see right here on my screen is a product with a price tag of 6,500 Naira in this marketplace. Right here in this online marketplace is still the same product with the same color, same size, same quality, everything is the same, guys, with a different price of 9,500 Naira, as you can see here.
Look guys, we need to punch our calculator right now.
9,500 minus 6,500 will give you 3,000 Naira.
Now the 3,000 Naira difference is all your profit. Imagine you selling just 10 of these very products in a day. 3,000 times 10, that will be 30,000 Naira profit in a day. That is a whole lot of money, guys, for a business you did not even invest a dime into. Well, I know you may want to ask, Victor, please, how do I go about looking for where to source these cheap products from and where to sell them at a higher cost? Now, I need you to help me with just one thing. Give this video a thumbs up by tapping the like button below. Now go down the comment section and type "Information is power." Here are 3 steps I'm about to walk you through right now. First, I will do a research to know which product is in high demand right now in Nigeria. Secondly, I will source the product from an online marketplace where it's being sold at a cheaper price. Lastly, I will go to another marketplace full of awaiting buyers and resell this same product at a higher price. Well, if today is your first time of coming across my video, my name is Victor Jade and I make videos around making money online. If what I do interests you, it is important that you tap the like button below this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and most importantly, remember to turn on the bell notification button so that whenever I post an amazing video just like what you're about to watch right now, you will gonna be the first person to receive an instant notification from YouTube.
Now here in my browser, I will go ahead and type in trends.google.com, then send it. So as you can see here on my screen, this website is Google Trends. This website is all about showing you what is currently trending right now. Like you can check here, trending right now. This is Nigeria for the past 24 hours. These are what is trending in Nigeria right now. So because I already have a product in mind that I want to check if this product is actually among the current product trending right now in Nigeria. So to be sure, before I go ahead and source for this product, so you come over to explore. Now make sure your location is where you are. Like I'm in Nigeria, so I will leave this in Nigeria. If you are not in Nigeria, you can actually type the location of the location you are. So for the past 12 months, I will leave it. All categories, I will leave it. Web search, I will leave it. So now let me go ahead and impute the products that I already have in mind. Then is a lunch box, but it's children's lunch box. Okay, look at it here, children's lunch box. So guys, as you have already seen here, this product is actively on the trend right now. Like this product started trending 4th of August, even up till now. Like this product is still on the trend and it's still going up, and it's not even coming down soon. So guys, I know you may want to ask, Victor, why did you go about searching for this particular product? How did you know that this product is gonna be on the trend like people are talking about it? Well, let me tell you, there's a way to get product that will be trending in a particular time. Like right now, this is August, and August is about to end, and you know we are about to enter September, which is always the month for school resumption in that is all the whole states in Nigeria. And you know, whenever school resumes, the parents will want to get, maybe they want to change their children's lunchbox. But like right now, a lot of school stores will be actively on the trend right now. So you're gonna take time, think well before you select a product to source for. Now, to still confirm if this product is actually trending, I will still go ahead and to my browser and type Facebook ads library. Okay, here is it. Search it. Now click on add library here. Now here we are. This is a ad library. Search all the ads currently trending across Meta, blah blah blah. So you make sure your location is currently active here. Then add category. You select all ads. Then let's still go ahead and input what the product we want to source for. Now, which is a lunchbox. I recently searched this product, so I will go ahead and click on it. Nice, loading. Okay, let's see. Okay, here is this German variety mats. They are currently running ads, and their ad is still active today on Instagram. Now here, this one is not what we are looking for. This is school bags. Okay, you can see this is this person is currently running ad in 4 platforms. Here is it, Facebook, Instagram, and others. Then see, go down, you will still see a lot of people selling lunch box this season.
So guys, as you can see, this product is on hot sales right now. If not, why are those people spending a lot of money running ads on even 4 platforms? It's to tell you that this very product is on hot sales. Okay guys, now that we have confirmed that this product is on high demand right now, let's proceed to this marketplace where we can get this product for a cheaper price.
Now here on my browser, I will go ahead and type in this very first marketplace. This is a place we'll be sourcing for our products. Now send for it. Here you have it. As you may know, this very e-commerce website is one of the most popular online marketplace right now in Nigeria, where you can buy varieties of original products at a cheaper rate. Here on search bar, I will go ahead and type in the product that I want to source for, lunchbox. Okay, before I type in anything here, because I already done my proper research, because I won't be selling lunchbox for everybody, I will be selling for children. Not only that alone, I will also be specific in the kind of lunchbox I want to sell. So to do that, I will come here and type in electric lunchbox, because this is the product that I want to niche down to. Like, I want to focus on selling only electric lunchbox. Now here, I will keep on going. Okay, if you still go down, you will still see, okay, look at what we are looking for here right now. As you can see, multifunctional electric lunchbox. Guys, if you still make your research or you go down, you can actually see a lot of people selling at a cheaper price here in this website. But you can select from here varieties of these products. These are like a lot of products inside this very website. You can even search according to price. So here I will click on this place. So this is actually the product that I'm saying for. Now that I have seen these very products here at 6,500 Naira, okay, let's proceed to this other marketplace where we'll be selling these products at a higher cost other than this 6,500 Naira, because in that other website there are a lot of awaiting buyers waiting for you to sell your product so they can buy. Now, so here on my browser, I will go ahead and type gg.ng, then enter. This is a #1 online marketplace right now in Nigeria, where vendors can create their own store, then list out their products to hundreds of awaiting buyers. So here on the search bar, I will go ahead, type in the product that I'm looking for, because I already made a research in the other website where this product is being sold at cheaper price. So I will go ahead and type this product, electric lunch box. Now we search for it. So guys, as you can see, look at it here. This same product that we are looking for is right here. As you can see, you still go down and see. Then this one is selling at 9,300. This one 9,500. Then this one is even selling at 8,500, and a lot more. So now that I have seen this product I'm looking for, so the next thing that I'm gonna do right now is to go ahead and create a store in this very marketplace so that I can sell my own products in this very place. So all you need to do is to just go ahead and click on sell. Okay, here this website is requesting for us to sign in. You can either sign in with your Google account or your Facebook, or you just say email or phone. Don't have an account, register. So you go ahead and do your registration on this very website. Now we click on register. So this very website already logged me in because I already have an account. As you can see here, I already logged in this very website. So if you have not registered, you can go ahead and register, and after registration you will just go ahead and click on sell. So now that we are in this cell, we just go to category, select the category that you want to sell your product under, you want to list your product under. So because we are selling baby things, just go ahead and click on kids. So under these kids, we see check kids care, kids clothing, children's furniture, children's gear, safety, nothing. So we go ahead and just children gear. Now our location, you select your location. If you are in Abuja FCT, you select Abuja. If you are in Lagos, you select Lagos. Anywhere you are, any state you are. We are in Rivers State, so I'm gonna choose select Port Harcourt. Then your product. To add a photo, add at least one photo for this category. So to get your photo to add here, you're gonna just go to Google, then search electric lunch box. Now go here. Okay, these are photos. You just go ahead and click images. Okay, let's look for product that we are looking for. Let me download this. Now this is a perfect image. This is gonna be a perfect image for us. Then go ahead and save it in here. Save. Now we go back here. This image. Now that our image had been added here, what you're gonna do is you can put any link, maybe your website link or your YouTube link, that is to where you have this product, maybe a video of this product. You can put the link here. So let's just go to next. Now you input your title, everything, just your gender. After I fill in this place, you put this price. This is the important place. You can put 9,500. Yes, so just go ahead and fill all these things. Take your time and fill all these things. Remember to just say no promo, because we are not starting this business with money right now. Just say no promo and post your ad.
Okay, now that you have successfully uploaded your product, people will definitely want to start contacting you. Once buyers start contacting you and placing their orders, the next thing you want to do is to go over to Konga, reach out to the seller of this same product that you sell, place an order, confirm their delivery date, then reach out to your own clients and get them to pay. Probably some clients may want to pay on delivery, but you can still get a couple of clients out there who would pay before delivery. Then go over to Konga, place your order and make payment. Then go ahead and make Konga deliver straight to your client's address. Definitely, when all orders are being delivered to your clients, at the end of the day, you will get to make a whole lot of profit without moving out of your home. Scaling up your game, sometimes at the end of the day, you might be getting 10 to 15 orders depending on the products you are reselling. Definitely, you would want to scale up your game as soon as you start making up to 500k to 700k or even 1 million naira in a month. By then, all you need to do is to buy in bulk, then keep it to yourself and start delivering to your clients without getting them to pay before delivery, which will definitely make you lose a couple of clients. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which other online business model you are considering to give a try but don't know how to go about it? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and strategies on building a successful online business that will generate real cash for you.